Welcome to Rising Elements Massage, where relaxation flows like clouds in the sky. Here, massage is more than touch. It's a moment to pause, reconnect, and restore well-being. We offer tailored therapies for every need: myofascial release, Thai massage, women's health, prenatal and postpartum care, Ayurvedic therapies, and aquatic therapy for a one-of-a-kind healing experience. Add-ons like cupping, eye soothing, or face massage for TMJ relief. Complete your session. At Rising Elements, balance is found by aligning with your natural rhythm. Our skilled therapists like Wendy listen, customize, and focus on lasting relief. We create a space to slow down, release tension, and rediscover wholeness within. Ready to restore balance? Visit risingelementsmassage.com or call 954-324-3786 to book your appointment today. Rising Elements Massage. Reconnect with your essential self.